Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you a short tutorial on how to cut multiple colors on the same mat. The first thing you want to do is to be sure that all of your words are the same color and design space. As you can see, all of my words are going to be in black, and the colors for this project that I will be using are black, blue, and white. The best ever is going to be in black, grandmother is going to be in blue, and then the name will be in white. So after you have all of the colors, all of the words in the same color, you're going to click make it. And once you get to the next screen which shows you your cut images, you're going to be sure that your words are properly positioned in the way that you're going to position your colors on your mat. So as you can see, the best ever is in black, and it is the first word that it's going to be cut. And then I'm just moving over grandmother, which is going to be in blue, and then the name will be in white, and I will position my color vinyl in the same position as you see on the screen. And because I am using permanent vinyl that will go on a tumbler, the image does not need to be mirrored, and the color side will go up on the mat. And as you can see, I have my black first, and then I have my blue, and then my white at the bottom. Be sure to pay attention to the numbers on your screen, the first screen, and position it in the same area on the actual Cricut mat. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this short tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.